I'm Dr. Meghan Braun. I'm the owner of Body Mechanics Physical Therapy here in Jacksonville, Florida. I've been a physical therapist for almost 10 years now. I've had my own clinic for the last 6 years. I do cash-based physical therapy, and I really enjoy working with youth athletes, athletes of any age really, but just getting everyone back to where they want to be, without pain, without injury, making sure that their injury prevention is on par with what they need for their sports, and getting people moving and having fun doing it. So I've been working with Kenny for almost 3 years now. And at first this was when I first started my business. So about 3 years into it, and I knew that I needed some help on the business coaching side of things. I think even the best coaches need coaches themselves and mentorship as well. And so since I've been working with Kenny, one of the things that has been really helpful for me in regards to speaking, and getting my message out there is he really pushed me and made me start doing more videos of myself, talking and explaining things that I need to get out into the world. And so through videos, now, with TikTok and Instagram and all that stuff out there, I get things like 15,000 views on some of my videos, things about the importance of movement, the importance of physical therapy, how not to do things, how not to hurt yourself. And so, with Kenny, and obviously there's so many other things that I've learned in the past 3 years that have helped my business just grow tremendously. But I think that was one of the biggest ones, was putting myself out there more on the visual scape of things, doing more podcasts, and just getting more comfortable and stronger with my voice and my message that I have for everyone. So something that Kenny helped me with was putting my vision and mission kind of into a process. And so with the way that I do physical therapy is we go through kind of understanding of restore, develop, and strengthen. And those are my, I don't know what to call it. I guess that's my slogan. So the way that I look at the human body and the person and the patient is not just as a diagnosis, like, oh, you have knee pain, but it's, okay, what's going on with the knee? And we want to restore that knee, but then how do we get you involved in your development of restoring your body and your development of making sure that we're reaching your goals? And then how do we strengthen that resolve? And so Kenny helped me to kind of get that into a better package, which then helped me to realize that I could expand on my brand a little bit more. So then I created journals that go along with that. I created the Restore, the Develop, and the Strengthen journal. Strengthen journal's coming out soon. And from there, it's just kind of been a snowball effect. And then we went into the Raise Your Game program, which kind of incorporates not just the physical aspect of the things I do, but also the mental aspect behind healing yourself, the nutritional aspect, the goal setting. And that's how the Raise Your Game program came about. So, with Kenny's guidance and getting me to understand the full, I guess, breadth of my entire company and my branding for myself, we were really able to keep bringing people in and understanding and enrolling them in our mission. So obviously, with everything I've already said, I think Kenny is great at what he does. I think for myself, I didn't really understand why I needed that accountability coach and why I needed that consistency within my business. I really know, obviously, the physical therapy side of things, but the business side of things is very different. And I run into business owners that feel that way all the time. Is, they get frustrated because they're really good at what they do, but they don't know how to bring that message out into the world so that they can bring more, clients, patients, whatever it is, into their services. And so when I started working with Kenny, then I kind of understand and realized more of the business aspect of things. And honestly, for me, like I want to focus, on doing the things within my business that I'm really good at. So the PT side of stuff. And Kenny's helped me to hold myself accountable, to keep pushing that envelope and to keep getting better with everything I do. And um, I'm one of those people that really enjoys a challenge, and I love competing, within sports and whatever it is. And so obviously I love competing within business as well. And I told Kenny from day one that I wanted to be the go-to, physical therapist in Jacksonville. And with his help, we're definitely at the top of Google and everything else. So yeah, thank you, Kenny.
To show your support, take a moment to amplify this message by sharing it online. To connect with me or gain more business growth insights, visit www.growthamplifiers.com. Thank you for your support.